Hi friends, today we are going to see the machining processes. The next part, that is the drilling, drills and the drilling machines, types of drilling machines. Myself Mr. S.P. Udgave, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SIT SUI, Hedrao. Drilling machine, it is defined as the drilling machine is nothing but the is used to make a circular hole, a tool used to drill the hole of different size and the other related operations using drill bit. The figure shows the main parts of the drilling machine. So you can see the main parts of the drilling machine, that is a base, table, table clamp, or that is a table, column, electric motor that is provided the drive, that is a hand wheel to give the feed, and the drill. In drilling machine, holes may be drilled quickly and at the low cost. The hole is generated by the rotating edge of the cutting tool known as a drill, which applies the large force on the workpiece clamped on the table. As the machine uses vertical pressure to originate a hole, it is loosely called as a drill press. Now we can see the main parts of the drilling machine. That is the figure shows the radial drilling machine and their main parts. So we can see the different parts as below. First one, that is a base, second column, table, radial arm, drill head, spindle speed and feed mechanism. Now you can see the figure in that the base on which we can mount the vertical column. This is the vertical column, and this is the table on which you can mount the workpiece, and this is the radial arm, and that is connected with the drill head and the drill chuck in which we can hold the drill bit, and the electric motor that is a with the drive, it is provided with the belt to the drill head. So we can see the first part, that is the base. The base, it is the part of the machine on which the vertical column it is mounted, and it is made up of a casting. That is the figure shows the base. This is the base on which that is made up of the casting, and a base supports the column and the work table with the other attachment. The top of the base is a round column section type, that is a upright drilling machine, and the T slots on which that is a we can place the workpiece and work holding devices may be set up, or that is a bolted to it. The base of the machine may be mounted on the bench or the floor. That is depend on the size of drilling machine. Table. So in this figure you can see the table that is a connected with the vertical column, that is a rack and pinion, it is a attachment, it is a provided. The table is mounted on the column and is provided with the T slot for clamping the work directly on its face. A table is a round or rectangular in shape. Next part, that is a column. The vertical, that is a cylindrical portion, it is called as a column. The column is the vertical member of the machine which supports the table and the head containing all the driving mechanism. It is a cylindrical casting mounted vertically at one end of the base and supports the radial arm which slides up and down. That is a radial arm that is shown in figure, that is mounted on the column that moves up and down with the help of column. An electric motor at the top, it is situated. This is the electric motor we can place on the top of the column or on the side to balance with the drill head. Okay, so that is a at the top of the column which helps the vertical adjustment of the arm by rotating the screw passing through the nut attached to the arm. Next one, the radial arm. So this figure you can see this is the radial arm. It is mounted on the column and extends horizontally over the base. It has guideways on which drill head slides. The radial arm moves around the column in 360 degrees. Next is the drill head. This is the drill head. That is, figure shows the drill head. It is mounted on the radial arm at the one end extended portion, and the drives the drill spindle that is provided with the cone pulley arrangement, or we can directly mount the motor on the radial arm and we can provide the drive. In some of the drill machines, the drill head may be adjusted, that is up or down, for accommodating, that is different heights of the work in addition to table adjustment. It encloses all the mechanism for driving the drill at the different speed and the feeds with the help of pulley, or that is with the arrangement of the driving mechanism we can change the speed and feed. In lighter machines, the driving motor, it is mounted on the rear end of the head for the counterbalancing of the weight of the drill spindle. And the last part, that is a spindle speed and feed mechanism, that is a spindle and feed mechanism that is connected with the drill head. The motor at the top of the drill head, that is drives the horizontal spindle, and the motion it is transmitted to the drill head through the group of bevel gears with another, that is a group of gears. Different spindle speed and the feed are obtained. The main advantage of this type of the drilling machine is that holes of variable size and at the any point and the any angles can be drilled on the large size workpiece without moving the workpiece, because of the radial arm that is rotates at 360 degree, as well as that is moves up and down, and that is also provided the rack and pinion motion to the table, so that helps to adjustment. So without moving the workpiece we can do the all the operations. Next is the types of drilling machines. So different types of drilling machines are available in market, that they are classified into the following 8 different types of drilling machines. So first one, that is a portable drilling machine. Second, sensitive drilling machine. Sensitive drilling machine again classified into 2 subgroups, that is a bench mounting sensitive drilling machine, because of that is a drilling machine, it is mounted on the bench. And the second one, that is a floor column upright drilling machine, that is mounted on the floor. Third, that is a upright drilling machine. It is also again classified into 2 types. That is the first one, that is a round column upright drilling machine. The column that is a round one, and second one, that is a box column upright drilling machine. Fourth, that is a radial drilling machine. Already we have seen the main parts of the radial drilling machine. In the radial drilling machine, it is again classified, or that is a subgroups, that is 3 types: plain drilling machine, universal drilling machine, and semi-universal drilling machine. According to their movement, they can classify it into 3 types. Next is the gang drilling machine, multiple spindle drilling machine, and the last one, that is a automatic drilling machine. So these are the types of the drilling machine. And the last one, that is a deep hole drilling machine, we can use for the deep hole, that is related with the specific operations. So we can see one by one. That is a deep hole drilling machine, again classified into that is a vertical deep hole drilling machine and horizontal deep hole drilling machine. So first one, there is a portable drilling machine. This type of drilling machine, it is are commonly used in all the workshops, used to drill a small sized hole. It is operated by the holding in hand. The workpiece where the hole is to be drilled is held in the vise. The most common type in use today, and they are available in used variety and subtypes. according to their objectives and the final function, they are classified. The less, that is a common type, is the right angle drill, a special tool used for the tradesmen such as plumbers and electricians. The motor used to corded drills is often universal motor due to its high power to weight ratio. Next one, sensitive drilling machine or bench drilling machine. For the light duty, that is these types of drilling machine used for the drill small holes at the high speed in lighter jobs or workpiece. The machine may be mounted on the bench or floor, and the drilling work is started with the drill feed into the workpiece by purely hand control. Since the operator senses the cutting action at the instant, it is called as a sensitive drilling machine. These machines are capable of drilling a small holes of diameter as small as 0.35 mm to 15 mm. These machines runs at the high speed as high as, that is a 2000 rpm. Upright drilling machine, it is the larger in size and stronger than the sensitive drilling machine, and it is used to drilling a medium and large sized holes based on the type of column used. It is classified into two subcategories. First one, that is a column, round column type, and second one, that is a box column type upright drilling machine. Next one, that is a radial drilling machine. Already we have seen the main parts of radial drilling machine and the working. The schematic diagram of the radial drilling machine is shown in figure. It consists of the base, column, radial arm, drill head, spindle speed and feed mechanism. So in this figure, that is a actual that is a machine, it is shown, and the main parts, that is this is the base, and this is a column at the one end, and this is a table for the workpiece we can hold, and the motor, it is a fitted, or that is a drill head, that is a upright movement, it is we can, that is a provided for the radial arm, on which radial arm we can place the drill head, and the, that is a handle, it is provided for the working, and this will be moves 360 degrees as well as that is a up and down. Also we can provide the angle to the drill bit. Gang drilling machine, this is a machine consists of the numbers of drill heads placed side by side. Also that is a, it is a use for the multiple operations, so that more than one hole or the same or different sizes can be drilled at the time on the same job or different jobs. The space between the drill spindles is varied to suit the gap between the holes. These types of machine tools is used to drill the large number of holes in the same job at faster rate, and the machine, this gang drilling machine having the main advantage is that this type of machine tool is that that the series of operation can be performed with different spindle mounted with the different tool bits on the same workpiece by the moving it from one position to another position with the single junction. Next one, that is a multi spindle drilling machine. This machine tool is similar to the gang drilling machine in construction. It is used to drill the number of holes in the same workpiece simultaneously, and to produce the same work in a number of similar jobs for the mass production. And last one, that is a deep hole drilling machine. It is classified into two types, that is a vertical deep hole drilling machine and horizontal deep hole drilling machine. That is in this drilling machine, the part to be drilled is rotated, and the drill bit, that is makes the hole, is kept stationary, means that is the tool is stationary and workpiece is it is in rotary form, and the deep holes, that is a drilling, is done like component like that is a rifle, barrels, crankshaft and long shafts. Automated drilling machine, So automated drilling machine, this type of machine can perform the series of machining operations, that is the successive units, and transfer the work from one unit to the another automatically. The once the work it is loaded at the first machine, the work will move from one machine to another, that is where different operations can be performed, and the finished work comes out from the last unit without any manual handling. And this type of machine, it is intended, that is purely for the production purpose, and the that is may be used for the milling, honing, similar operations. In addition with the drilling and tapping operations are performed. Thank you. Stay connected for the next videos.